Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox Adopt Me Phoenix. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Roblox Adopt Me Phoenix, I'm going to begin with the head. I'll start right here and we're just going to begin by drawing a line that goes up and it's going to come over. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes over and then we'll bring it up just a little bit. Right here, I want to make a small circle shape for the eye. I'm also going to add a smaller circle in there, then I just want to color in the rest of it. Right here, I'm going to make a line that just goes up and it's going to come down a little bit. And I want to do the same thing up here. I'm going to go up and then down just a little bit. Right here, let's draw a line that goes down and then it's going to come up. Starting here, let's make a line that goes straight up. Now starting here, we want to draw a line that's going to go over and then it's going to curve around. Then I'll make another one that goes out and comes back in. Then I'll put a small one right here. It goes out and then it's going to come up. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go at an angle a little bit. Next we're going to draw a line that's just going to come down. And I'm going to draw quite a few little bumps on here. So I'm just going to draw quite a few little bumps and they're just going to come down here. And they're going to come right to there. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. I'm going to loop it around and then come back down. I'll make another one that's going to go up and it's going to come down. Starting here, I'm just going to make some more of those big bumps. They're just going to get a little bit smaller as they move down to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out and it's going to come back to here. Right here, I'll make a line that goes out and then it comes back. And I'll make a little line that goes down and then comes up to here. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes out, then it comes back. Now to end this, we'll draw a line that goes down. It's going to go up and come back. Next we'll add one more. It goes down and then up for the tail. Now starting here, I just want to connect this line. And I'm also going to connect this line. And also this line here for the wing. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up and it's going to come down. Next, I want to make a smaller one right back here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and then it's going to come up like this for the foot. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Roblox Adopt Me Phoenix. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.